Hello everyone, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. In today's video, we'll be discussing the alphabet test type 5 that is based on rule detection. तो ये बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है और बहुत ही आसान सा कंसेप्ट है जिसमें हम बात करेंगे रूल डिटेक्शन के बारे में. So let's have a look at the first question. Find the odd letters. So basically what you are supposed to do here is you have to observe the pattern. Pattern को ढूंढना है आपने. तो अगर हम इसको ध्यान से देखें तो I, E and G. There are three alphabets given to us here. तीन alphabets है यहाँ पर हमारे पास. तो E, then if we skip over F, F को हमने skip कर दिया, and we come to G. Then we have H. If we skip H, then we get I. So this is the pattern that I observe in part A. That is E, we leave F, we get G, and then we leave H and we get I. Now let us check for the pattern in option B. Smallest alphabet here is B. We skip C and we get D. And then we have E. If we skip E, we come to F. So the pattern is the same in A and B. Now let us check with option C. In option C, if we begin with C, सबसे पहला तो difference यहीं पर आ गया that in the first two options, that is A and B, we are beginning from the middle letter. In option C, the middle letter is placed at a later position than the first letter, but still we'll check it out starting from W. Let us start with W here. We skip over X and we come to Y. So this satisfies the pattern till now. Then after Y we have Z. So Z, then A, then B, and then we reach to C. So we find the pattern is not being followed in option C. So according to me, the answer should be option C, but we will still check with option B once. So in option B, again we find it's beginning from the center letter, that is J. Then we skip over K and we get L. Then we skip over M and we get N. So this is now very clear. In fact, it's absolutely clear that the odd option here is option number C, that is C, W and Y. So this is how you have to check each and every option given to you in the question to solve such type of questions. चलिए अब बात करते हैं second question के बारे में. Now in this question you have to find the correct alternative in which the number of letters skipped between adjacent letters in the series goes on increasing successively by 1. यानी कि जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड लेटर है उसमें 1 का डिफरेंस हो, सेकंड और थर्ड में 2 का डिफरेंस हो, थर्ड और फोर्थ में 4 का डिफरेंस हो, एंड सो ऑन. So let us start with the first option that is given to us. If we look at A and E, what is the difference? After A you have B, C and D. So there are 3 letters missing here. Between E and I, again 3 letters. Between I and M, again there are J, K and L, 3 letters. Between M and Q, again N, O, P, 3 letters. Between Q and U, R, S, T, again 3 letters. तो हमने देखा कि हर subsequent letter में या in every adjacent letter there is a gap of 3 other alphabets. So this does not go with the question. Let us now look at part B. Between D and I, that is D, E, F, G and H, there are 4 alphabets. Between I and N, J, K, L, M and N, there are 5 alphabets. Between N and S, O, P, Q, R, there are 4 alphabets. Between S and X, if you find there are 4 alphabets, and between X and C, again there are 4 alphabets. So option B also does not go with the suitable explanation of the question that is given to us. Let us now check the C part, in which between E and H, E, F and G, there are 2 letters here. Between H and K, we find I, J and K. H, I and J, that means 2 letters here. Then K, L, M, again 2 letters here. After N, O, P and Q, 2 letters here. Then between Q and T, again there are 2 letters. So again this does not follow the explanation that should be according to the question. Let us now check for the D part. Between F and H there is just 1 letter, that is G. Then between H and K, there are two letters, that is I and J. Between K and O, there are three letters, L, M and N. Between O and T, there are four letters, P, Q, R, S. And between T and Z, you will find there are five letters. So there's a subsequent increase, as has been said in the question. The series goes on increasing successively by 1. So what is the correct answer here? Option D will be the correct answer. So this is how you have to attempt such questions. इस तरह से आपने ऐसे questions को study करना है, pattern observe करना है और फिर अपना correct answer mark करना है. In the third question, you have to find the correct alternative in which the number of letters skipped in reverse order between the adjacent letters in the series is constant. तो reverse order यानी कि हम राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे. अब देखिए बी और ई के बीच में कितने लेटर्स आते हैं? बी सी डी, टू लेटर्स. देन बिटवीन ई एंड जी हाउ मेनी लेटर्स? ई एफ एंड जी, वन. देन बिटवीन जी एंड आई, जी एच आई, अगेन वन. एंड बिटवीन आई एंड के, आई जे के, अगेन वन. सो 2 1 1 1. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द पैटर्न फॉर ऑप्शन ए. लेकिन पूछा क्या है? कांस्टेंट रहना चाहिए. द गैप शुड बी कांस्टेंट. दैट मींस द गैप शुड बी द सेम. जी से स्टार्ट करेंगे. जी एच आई जे, दैट इज 2. जे के एल एंड एम, गैप ऑफ 2. एम एन ओ एंड पी, गैप ऑफ 2. पी क्यू आर एंड एस, अगेन गैप ऑफ 2. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि जो गैप है वो यूनिफॉर्म आ रहा है. तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आवर आंसर शुड बी ऑप्शन बी, बट स्टिल वी विल चेक विद ऑप्शन सी एंड डी एज वेल. जे के एल, गैप ऑफ 2. एल एम एन ओ, गैप ऑफ 2. ओ पी क्यू आर एन एस, तो यहाँ पर गैप आ गया 3 का. तो इसके आगे हमें चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमें पता लग गया है कि ये यूनिफॉर्म पैटर्न नहीं फॉलो कर रहा है. देन लुकिंग एट ऑप्शन डी अगेन, जे के एन एल 1, एल एम एन एन ओ 2, ओ पी क्यू आर, ओ पी क्यू, अगेन 1. Again, the gap is not uniform, so option D, option C and option A are ruled out and we are left with option B only, which is the correct answer. Found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and share your comments in the comment section as well. Also subscribe to our channel if not done yet, and yes, thanks for joining me.